Hello everyone, welcome back again to another video. Today I share with you the simple milk ice cream or Ghanaian Abele recipe with you all. It's such a creamy and delicious ice cream, and with few ingredients you are going to achieve this deliciousness. So without wasting my time, let's get started. So to my mixing bowl, I'm going to be adding in my powdered milk, and I'm going to be listing everything in the description box for you to check it out. Okay, next I'll go in with my sugar. You can use any sweetener of your choice. Moving forward, I'll also go in with my evaporated milk. You can as well use whole milk or any other milk of your choice as well. And also you can use water to mix your ingredients if that is what you prefer. Okay, so now let's mix everything together until the sugar and the powdered milk dissolves very well. Alright, so after stirring everything together, the thickness or the consistency was a little bit thick for me, so I went in with extra milk. And since I'm a lover of sweetness, going in with extra milk wasn't a bad idea at all. Okay, as I said, if you want to go in with water, just feel free to go in with water because this is totally to your taste. Okay, so now this is the perfect consistency or the thickness that I'll be going for, and it's just perfect. All right, so next I'm going to transfer everything into my ice cream containers. I'm using this disposable cups right here. You can as well use any ice cream container of your choice. Whilst that is going on, let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. If you haven't subscribed yet, do well to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell also so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that as always. So while that is done, I'm going to go ahead and refrigerate this ice cream for about 8 hours or overnight, depending on how your refrigerator works. And after 8 hours of refrigerating it, just look at how beautiful it turned out. It turned out so good, and the taste in there was just amazing. With just 3 ingredients, you can also achieve this deliciousness. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this milk ice cream or Abele recipe. It's such a creamy and delicious ice cream, and you are going to love it. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. And if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.